A very good evening to one and all present over here. According to today's lecture topic, it is about photography. So many see photography as an art form, others will argue that it's a skilled trade and not an art form. Personally, professional photography is a genre in the arts, and if anyone disagree, I would just like to make a simple question that can you create a masterpiece with a wrench? According to Wikipedia, the word photography was created from the Greek roots and it means drawing with lights. So, I would like to just elaborate it that the image is what we see through sight and then transmit to the brain, help us feel a thing, just the best job, honestly, thereby making reflection or comments about this picture is easy, as eyesight is one of the five senses, but the sight of human have a huge role in controlling the human emotions than the four remaining senses. So as we all know that when we see a thing, we remember it for more days, when and because we have the image of it in our mind that is made through after seeing it. And yes, that 1,000 words sees. And I would say here that when we hear something, we have to explain it in a very large form and elaborated form, and still many people do not understand it, and this shows why photography is important. As we all know that we are just studying about history and many things related to it, but if we were not able to see any forts or any clothes of them, then how would we just imagine it, and what could be the reason behind it and something like that. So a picture of the use of child labor in India, I would say, how would we know what child labor is? We do not know it by only hearing it, but we have also seen it, and after seeing, we have developed the emotion that this child labor should be stopped. So the main objective of photography is to just have the have a particular thing in a for imagination form. A photographer must see light, and great photographers can actually feel the quality of light. Plus, photography is about the power of observation and knowing what to see, how to see it, and how to precisely capture it at the given moment. Photography is about creating photographs, not taking pictures, as anyone can do that also. So that's my thought on photography, and it's not common for me to practice photography by anyone, but it is a professional art that only those people can do who just have the sense of how to do photography. So photography for me, in nutshell, is a hobby and also a learning experience, a traveling and adventurous seeking catalyst, a tool to showcase my skills as an improving landscape photographer, a medium to stay connected with the nature and stay looking at the nature with more respect, as well as just stay connected with our family also, a hobby to pick up other hobbies like traveling, trekking, and biking. This all include photography also. So at last, I just want to say that keep learning and keep exploring. Life will only get better when we have it's in a very documentary form, and that documentary form can be made through photographs also. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I hope everyone click their pictures or by others or in the frame. If not outside nature, beautiful world. Somehow, maybe a individual person do this work because they love. So my today's topic is photography. So what is a photography? The photo which has been clicked by any digital camera, a big camera with a high lenses and very clear clarity, with the effects and with the filters which can be changed. So this could be a skill, and this could be a creativity idea also to represent themselves. And before that it was used only for family purposes like selfies and taking pictures in the small parties, and taking pictures with for the main newspaper and media. But right now it's very high profile, um, what we say the what we say the work which gets, and they get high paid also, because it is very creative and the skillful knowledge turns to this photography. So I feel storing a pictures gives a better version to see ourselves how it is. And it's not only by looking the picture, and it is also the clarity, what we are, it shows in that. And also these pictures could be helpful for an individual to keep themselves as a memory. Whenever they want to see, they can see. And this all pictures will be stored in any small memory card or on the cloud. Whenever they want to access, they can access very easily by the cloud. So this photography is very much trending right now, because many of the youth are taking part in this as a photography or the photo shoot, which everyone wants to do, or and everyone want to feel, as in the marriages is a very much important. Before the marriage, they go for the marriage shoot video and the photos, which are really trending, and they also charge very highly. And there are many events or challenges across all over the world, like clicking the very unique photos. And they also, photographers also risk their life whenever they go into the higher areas or in the forest or unseasonal weathers. They go and they click the pictures, or the one picture can might be changed their life, because there are the many challenges where they select the best picture in the world or in the state or in the country. So these challenges they accept, and they just take the camera and they go for a long drive just to click the pictures. And there is a one person whose name is Sandeep Maheshwari. He's a motivator speaker, but he clicked 10,000 pictures within some 2 or 13 days. And the 10,000 pictures, there is a no interlinked between each one picture. So if there is a picture, it shows a man in one picture, and in other remaining 9,999, there is a no man in that picture. So see the difference, see the level of the creativity, the competition has been given there. So I feel the photography is a skill as well as a creative mind, where they can show their talent, and which is training right now. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.